Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet that is called Hamzah. Hamzah. And the sound is A. Hamzah, sound is A. Okay, so what is the articulation point? So the articulation point for Hamzah is the deepest part of the throat. As we explained before, that we have three parts of the halq, the throat, and this is from the deepest part that is closest to the chest. Okay, closest to the chest, you can see here. And in Hamzah what happens is the vocal cords are almost closed when we're pronouncing Hamzah. Hamzah, sound. Okay, so it is almost closed. That's the articulation point. That's the deepest part of the throat, near to the chest. So is it a heavy or light letter? It is one of the light letters, because when we are pronouncing the sound then we make our mouth or the lips flatten in the shape of it remains flat, or as if we are going to start smiling. So al, ak, akh. So if you connect them with others, the first a sound is for Hamzah. So is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the non-connectors. Why? Because if you see here, yeah, this is a bit going to be difficult to understand, but let's try. So in the beginning, if you see Hamzah, it's mainly either sits on alif or underneath. So it uses alif as a chair or a seat, and it is uses in the beginning either above alif or below alif. So you can't connect other letters with it after when it comes in the beginning. If it comes in the middle, it uses chairs as well. For example, in this case, you can connect other letters before it, and it uses alif as a chair here. It uses waw as a chair here. It uses ya as a chair here, and you can see this is underneath as well. And sometimes you can see them. You can use it as independently as well in the middle of a word. Okay, but you cannot connect other letters after it. So you can connect letters before it, if it in these conditions, but not in this one, and not after it. You can connect only in this form. You can connect that in this form, or other letters after it as well. So in a way, it is some states, some forms you can connect, and other forms you can't. Similarly, if you see here, it uses the other letters as a chair or seat, and it can be independently written as well. Okay, so you will see the uses of these chair in Quran text. Okay, how to write it? Let me explain that. Okay. So it is written, sometimes it is written above or underneath. You can see here, sometimes it is written above or underneath the letters. Okay, and these ones are called, as we explained before, these are called chairs. So those chairs, they don't contribute their own sounds to the letter, but it is used as a chair, and it is written like this. Let's see. When on its own, it is written like this. Okay, in the beginning, you just write alif, and you write on top of it or under it. Okay, if it's under it, then it goes below the line. It's under it, and on the other forms, okay, the other one here. So we are putting Hamzah on the chairs or the seats. Similarly, this one. Below it. And sometimes you can write like that as well. So the middle and the end, they are the same. Okay. You will see all these in real text. That's why I put all the examples there, so you're aware of them. Similar to, okay, so what is the equivalent of Hamzah in English? It is the glottal stop in English. For example, in the word eat, ate, out. So the first bit is that the sound is similar to the sound in Arabic, the glottal stop. Okay, for transliteration purposes, we will be using the apostrophe sign. I'll just call it a Hamzah sign as compared to Ain sign. Okay, so that's Hamzah sign, and that's Ain sign. So this is the end of this lesson. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.